In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade with virtual money on Trading 212. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your trading strategy without financial risk, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and straightforward manner. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your browser and type in apptrading212.com. This is the platform where all the action takes place. Once you've reached the home page, look to the top corner of the screen and locate the three horizontal lines. These lines are often referred to as the hamburger menu, and once you spot them, go ahead and give them a click. When you've expanded the menu, you'll see various options, but for our purposes today, you'll need to find and click on the option that says Switch to Practice. This is a crucial step because it allows you to transition from a live trading environment to a practice one where you can trade using virtual money without any real financial implications. Now that you're in practice mode, direct your attention to the section labeled 212 CFD. Clicking on this takes you to the area where you can engage in contract for difference trading, a popular form of trading that offers potentially high rewards but also comes with certain risks. This is where practicing with virtual money can be invaluable. Once you're in the CFD area, navigate back to the home page by clicking on the aptly named Homepage button. From there, you'll want to explore the different categories by clicking on Stocks. This will display a variety of stock options from different markets around the world, allowing you to broaden your trading horizons. Next, it's time to select specific stocks that you're interested in. After choosing the stocks, you have the option to buy or sell. This decision will depend on your market analysis and trading strategy. For the sake of this tutorial, let's go with buy. Once you click buy, you'll be presented with more options regarding how to place your order. You can choose between a market order or a limit/stop order. A market order executes immediately at the current price, whereas a limit order lets you set the price at which you want to trade. Let's select limit stop for a more controlled trading experience. After selecting your order type, you'll need to input your desired value or quantity, which refers to how much of the stock you'd like to purchase. You can also adjust the margin, which is essentially the leverage on your trade, allowing you to control more of the stock with less capital. Engaging a take profit or a stop loss is worth considering at this stage. These are automatic mechanisms that close your position once a certain profit or loss level is hit, keeping your investment strategy disciplined and less influenced by emotions. Finally, after ensuring all your parameters are set correctly, click Confirm Buy. Your order will now be processed in the virtual environment, giving you the chance to see how your strategy plays out without risking real money. And that's it. You've successfully navigated trading with virtual money on Trading 212. Happy trading!